This is Dr. Hobble, and I'm going to help you with this problem. It says use your graph paper or graph sticky note in your notebook to draw diagrams that show that 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2, and that 2 plus 3 is not the same, or is not equal to 2 times 3. So here's a note to make in your notebook. When you see an equal sign with a slash through it, that means not equal to. Okay, so let's draw a diagram that shows that 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. What do I mean by that? Well, here's a diagram that shows 2, and here's 3 more. So make something like this on your graph paper or your graph sticky note, and label it. That's 2 plus 3. Now I'm going to draw 3, so 1, 2, 3 lines on my graph paper. 1, 2, 3. I have 3, and then I have 2. So this is like 3 plus 2. And you see that they're equal because they take up the same amount of space. Now let's look at 2 plus 3. So that maybe would be one of your sticky notes. Now let's look at 2 plus 3. So I have 2 plus 3. And let's look at 2 times 3. So for 2 times 3, let's draw 3 groups of 2. So keeping that in mind when we draw our diagram. Let me zoom in a little bit. So let's draw 3 groups of 2 to represent 2 times 3. Or you could draw 2 groups of 3. But I'm going to draw 3 groups of 2. So I would have 2, there's one group, there's another group, there's another group. So this is 2 times 3. And do you see how these aren't the same size? Because this diagram is a little bit longer. It represents more than 2 plus 3. So this kind of stuff might seem a little obvious right now, but we're getting used to some sort of algebraic thinking because later we're going to have expressions that involve variables instead of just numbers like this. So we're starting off with something simpler to get us ready for the more complex ideas we'll do in this lesson. So once you have these on your sticky notes, make sure you upload a picture of your diagrams.